Hello friends, I am Sagar Shinde, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics, Sharad Chandra Pawar Mahavidyalay, Lonan, and today we are going to discuss Semester 1 Electronics Paper 2 Digital Integrated Circuits. In Unit 1, we have number system and codes. It consists of decimal number system, binary, octal, and hexadecimal number systems. Base conversions, representation of signed and unsigned numbers, BCD, ASCII codes, binary and hexadecimal arithmetic, addition subtraction by 2's complement method. In B section, we are going to discuss logic gates and Boolean algebra, truth table of or, and, not, nor, NAND, XOR, XNOR, universal gates, basic postulates and fundamental theorems of Boolean algebra, and then De Morgan's theorem. Now let us discuss what is number system. In number system is an ordered set of symbols known as digits. Rules are defined for performing arithmetic operations on these digits. The arithmetic operations includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. The most familiar number system is decimal number system. It consists of 10 digits 0 through 9. Other number systems are binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Now let us discuss what is base or radix in a number system. So base or radix is the number of digits or basic symbols used in that system. Commonly used number systems are decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Base or radix of decimal number system is 10. Symbols used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Example is 18, 1, 8, 18. Another type is binary number system. Base or radix is 2. Symbols used are 0 and 1 only. Example is 1, 0, 1, 1. Third type is octal number system. Base or radix is 8. Symbols used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Example is 1, 6. And last, hexadecimal number system. Base or radix will be 16. Symbols used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. Example is AD or 15. Now let us discuss the decimal number system. The decimal number system is a weighted number system. It means that each and every digit will be having weight considering its position with respect to decimal point. Symbols used are 0, 1, 2 and so on till 9. Base or radix is 10 or D. It is a positional weighted system. It means the value attached to a symbol or digit depends on its location with respect to the decimal point. The leftmost digit, which has the maximum weight, is called the most significant digit, MSD. The rightmost digit has the least weight, and so it is rightly called the least significant digit, LSD. Next number system we have the binary number system. It is also a positional weighted system. Symbols used are 0 or 1. The base or radix of this number system is 2 or B. The binary point separates the integer part and fractional part. The leftmost digit, which has the highest or maximum weight, is called the most significant bit, MSB. The rightmost bit is called the least significant bit since it has the least or the lowest weight. A string is a group of characters, digits or letters written one after another. A string or group of bits is called a nibble. A group of 8 bits is called a byte. Next number system is the octal number system. It is a positional weighted system. Symbols used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The base or radix of this number system is 7 or O. The binary point separates the integer part and fractional part. The leftmost digit is called the most significant digit, MSD. The rightmost digit is called the least significant digit LSD. Since its base is 8, which is equals to 2 to the power 3, every 3-bit group of binary number can be represented by an octal digit. Next number system is the hexadecimal number system. It is also a positional weighted system. Symbols used are 0 through 9 and A through F. So 0 to 9 are 10 symbols and A to F are remaining 6 symbols. The base or radix of this number system is 16 or H. The binary point separates the integer part and fractional part. The leftmost digit is called the most significant digit MSD, and the rightmost digit is called the least significant digit LSD. Since its base is 16, which is equals to 2 to the power 4, every 4 binary digit combination can be represented by one hexadecimal digit. So till now we have discussed various types of number system, which includes decimal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system, and octal number system. Next, we are going to discuss conversions in the number system. Thank you.